there was something that was missing in my game engine, something that game developers need, that they want, that they cannot live without. And no, it's not a coffee machine. It's an editor, something that will make game development a lot easier for developers. So I decided to build one for my game engine, and let me show you how it looks. All right, so when you launch the Untold Engine for the first time, you are going to be shown an editor from now on. All right, so you're going to be able to add entities and add components. That's the main purpose of it. Now, I'm going to add 2 entities. All right, so what you do is you go to the scene graph section and you click add entities, and I'm going to add another one. So for the first entity, you can give it a name, call it whatever you want. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add a component. I'm going to add a rendering component, right? So when you click render, you are given the option to add a mesh. So here, I'm going to go and choose the mesh for my character. In this case, I'm going to choose this guy. Now for this character, it's being rendered, laying down. That's how it was exported. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it. All right. And obviously I also added a transform component into my game engine. So when you click on that, you will be shown these options. So I'm going to flip the character. So 90, and it's too far. So cool. Now I'm going to add an animation. So let me click here, animation, and let me go to my animation folder, and I'm going to do the running animation. So here it is. So now when you click play, you will be able to see the character running. You will be able to preview your animation basically. All right. So let me stop this because I want to add a component for the second character. So I'm going to do the same thing, render components, add a mesh. Let me go to my folders here. I'm going to do this one. And let me flip this again, and I'm going to move it to the side by 1 unit. All right. So now let me add a different animation for this character. And this one is going to be shooting. All right. So now, again, when you click play, boom, you're going to see the animations running. So this is what I have as of now, right now, guys. It's a work in progress. Obviously, you can add also a kinetic component. Now, my goal is that aside from giving you the option of adding the default components, you will be able to add your own custom-made components, such as in this instance, I have a player component, which I haven't hooked up yet, but that is the idea. Everything is going well. I'm actually very happy with where I'm at right now. And yeah, I just wanted to give you an update, guys, on how everything is going. And hopefully this will entice you and other game developers to start using that game engine, the Untold Engine. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.